Welcome students. I hope you are sound and safe at your places. In this video, we are going to discuss about exercise 12.1 questions, that is of your chapter number 12, ratio and proportion. So let's start. Question number 1 is, there are 20 girls. So girls are 20 and 15 boys. So boys are 15. Then he is saying, what is the ratio of? So what we have to find? Ratio of girls to the boys. So as in previous video we have said that in division format we will compare. So if you compare, you can write 20 by 15. First one will be as numerator, second one will be as denominator. So simply you can say whatever is before 2, that is as numerator, what is after 2, that is as denominator. So if you cut 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So 4 by 3, so we can write it as 4 ratio 3. Either you can do in this way or you can do directly. Girls are 20, boys are 15. As in previous video we have discussed, we have to cut these by same number. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. In both the cases, your answer remain same. So this is the part A. Then in part B, what is the ratio of number of girls to the total students? So what we have to do in part B? We have to find the ratio. Whose ratio? Number of girls to the total number of students. So how many girls are there? 20. What is the total? Total means we have to add these two. So total is 20 plus 15. That is 35. So total is 35. Same. Either you can use this method, 20 by 35. Whatever given to us, that will be in first. With whom we have to compare, that should be in the second term. So when we cut, 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35. Or if you cut in this format, 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35. So same answer you will get. So this is part B. Now let's move to question number 2. Out of 30 students, 6 like. Question number 2. Total students 30. And out of these 30, students like football, those are 6. Who like cricket, those are 12. And rest of the students, they like tennis. So how to find those players? From total, we will subtract these two things, two number of students. So 30 minus 18, that is 12. Means 12 students are there who like tennis. Then in part first you have to tell ratio of number of students liking football. So in part A you have to tell the ratio of number of students who like football to 2 means with whom we have to compare. We have to compare with number of students liking tennis. So this way we will compare. Football is 6. So 6 ratio by the same number. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Or we can say these are twice of this football students. So same, twice of this football students. Then in part B, we have to find ratio. Number of students liking cricket. So now we have to find for cricket. With whom we have to compare? To total number of students. Total is 30. So cricket is 12 and total is 30. So again cut by the same. 6 twos are 12, 6 fives are 30. Now further it is not possible to cut, so we will stop here. C part we have to find, only 2 parts we are having, so that is for your question number 2. Now let's move to question number 3. What we have in question number 3? In question number 3, in a rectangle, few figures are given to you this way. So first of all, let's find out how many triangles are there. So triangles are 1, 2, 3. How many squares are there? Squares are 2. How many circles are there? Circles are 2. So how many total figures we are having? 3 plus 2, 5 and 2, 7. So total 7 figures we are having. So question is, see the figure and find the ratio of. So in first we have to find the ratio of triangles. With whom we have to compare? Triangles to the number of circles. So with circles we have to compare. Triangles are 3 and circles are 2. Cutting is not possible, so that will become your answer. In part B, we have to find the ratio of squares to all the figures. So squares to all the figures. So all means total are 7, squares are 2, so 2 ratio 7. Then in part C, number of circles to all we have to compare. So circles are 2 and total is 7. As cutting is not possible, so that will become our answer. So this is your question number 3. Now question number 4 is distances travelled by Hamid and Akhtar in 1 hour. That is 9 km for Hamid and 12 km for Akhtar. He is saying find the ratio of speed. So first of all we have to know what is speed. Speed is distance divided by time. Means how much distance you will cover in the given time, that will become your speed. So let's find speed of Hamid. Distance covered by Hamid is 9 and time is 1 hour. So 9 divided by 1, that will become 9 km per hour. Then speed of Akhtar, same, distance divided by time. So 12 divided by 1 is 12 km per hour. So this way we will find the speed of them. Now we have to find the ratio. So ratio of Hamid, speed of Hamid to the speed of Akhtar we have to find. So speed of Hamid is 9 and speed of Akhtar is 12. Cutting is possible? Yes, by 3 we can cut. Both 3 3s are 9. 3 fours are 12. Further, it is not possible to cut, so that will become your answer. So this is your question number 4. Now question number 5. This way question is given and we have to tell that these are equivalent or not. So first compare these two. 15 by 18 dash by 6. So it is decreasing, means we have to divide as in fraction we have done. So we will divide by 3. 3 6 are 18. So here also we have to divide by 3. 3 5s are 15. So 5 by 6 we will get. Now compare these two. 5 by 6. We are getting 10. It is increasing. Increasing means we have to multiply. 5 2s are 10. So this also we have to multiply by 2. 6 2s are 12. So here your answer is 12. Then third one, compare with 5 by 6. Here is 30. Again it is increasing. Increasing means we are multiplying. So 6 5s are 30. So this also we have to multiply by 5. 5 5s are 25. Then he is asking, are they equivalent? Yes, they are equivalent. When we cut this, we will get same. How? 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. This we can't cut. 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18. So when we solve them to the simplest form, these are equivalent to each other. So this is your question number 5. That's it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.